Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing devices. Make sure your LG Web OS TV and the sending device share the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Once done, enable Screen Share or Miracast on the TV. If your TV lacks native casting, plug in a Chromecast into an HDMI port. Next, open Google Chrome on your phone or PC and sign in so tabs and casting options appear. This immediate setup avoids delays and lets you move directly into streaming Chrome content to the TV. Now you'll cast content. On a PC, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, choose Cast, and select either a tab or your desktop. Selecting desktop shares audio and system video. From an Android phone, open Chrome, tap the menu, choose Cast, and pick the Chromecast or Miracast-enabled TV. Make sure to adjust volume and switch to full screen mode when needed to minimize distractions and latency. If you need keyboard or precise control, prefer PC casting for smoother navigation and input. For a closer native experience, you can sideload Android builds on select LG models, but proceed only if your TV supports developer mode. This is riskier and not recommended for most users. Otherwise, troubleshoot common issues. Restart TV, sending device, and router. Update WebOS firmware and Chrome to the latest versions, and try switching between 4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi if you see latency. If casting still fails, reboot Chromecast or repair the TV. Then test casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.